top holdings under advanced reports. Here, you would be able to view your top holdings held as of a specific date with valuation across both the segments, that is BSE and NSE exchange. So the moment you come over here, select the specific to date you would want to run a valuation check report. This will, in the background, fetch all the market prices for all the assets that you are holding as of today. The purpose of this report was to consolidate top five investments you are holding for each asset class within this software. So whenever the market fluctuates percentile up and down, you'll have a ready-made picture in front of you to make a decision call whether to sell off some of the holdings of the top five investments that you have under that asset class, or you want to still hold it. So this report will be very peculiar and accurate enough to give you a understanding of whether to make an educated decision to sell off or not. So this is how whatever assets you have, it could be your equity, cash, derivatives, mutual funds, bonds, any other investments under AIF category will be shown to you. The purpose is only to show to you how many investments you have, and compared to that investments, which are the top five holdings you have in each asset class, with the market value and the amount invested adjacent to the same for the comparison per se.